Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this thin consistency that I used for Dutch pour. This is a thin pearl white, and I will do a marble pour. I'll just pour some this pearl white here, and I will do 3 puddles, and this is ultramarine blue, and I'm hoping for some effects, lacing or something, but this paint is really thin, like for a Dutch pours, you know, so we will see how this will work. And this is Cadence Metallics real gold. I like this gold because it dries it like it would be really real. This is permanent magenta from Winsor&Newton, and I have extreme sheen sapphire, and I will use that dragon glaze on top of for the last color. This is permanent blue violet from Amsterdam, because it has this, you know, blue violet color shift shine. Now it looks white, but it will not be white when it will be dry, you know. It's white, it's transparent when it's dry. It's white because of pouring medium. So, and you all know that our pouring mediums dry clear too. So let's pour some more of this pearl white. And I want to stretch this out quite a bit because I want to have some lacing and something, I don't know. So, and now I will grab my marble. I have water here to hopefully put them in. So let's rock and roll. And I will grab another one. I want quite some, you know, tiny lines, because I hope for some lacing out of the tiny lines. I don't know when I will stretch it. And now I will just tilt it to cover it, and then maybe I will play some more, because I want this paint to flow over the pearl white to have some nice effects. Maybe I have a little too much negative space now. Let's tilt some of this off. Not a lot. I was really hoping for more, I don't know, something. Let's try to do a little swipe. But with what? Maybe just with a palette knife. So I will grab this smaller one. I will just try to play a little bit. Let me see what will happen if I swipe this a little bit. Oh, obviously I don't have a lot of paint here. No, don't like swipes. In this one. Let me do another puddle of paint. I kind of like this bottom part there. So what I'm thinking now is to do some puddles of paint here and maybe blow it out with a straw or my mouth or something. So I will go here. And I will just add colors like I did on my last one. So gold and this magenta and blue and I will add this glaze medium here and pearl on top. Now I will just try to blow with my mouth. Obviously I played quite a lot with this painting. I did some marble rolls and some kind of bloom that I, blow with my mouth and tilt and play, and at the end I'm kind of happy with this, not completely, but I like this look, that kind of a blue flower. I'm not, still don't know about this part. Maybe I should even totally scrape it off. Oh, and leave just the white negative space, but you know, the details, I have quite some beautiful lacing and veins, and some stones and a lot more, so I really like this painting. Just not sure about this part, but it was fun experiment with tin paints, so maybe I should play a little more with tin paints. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.